Bikini waxing doesn't have to be a dramatic event every month. When you maintain it correctly, it actually gets easier, smoother, and far more gentle. The secret isn't just about the wax itself, it's what you do in between your appointments. This video will show you exactly how to maintain your bikini area for a perfect 4-week waxing cycle, so each session becomes less painful, more effective, and the results last longer. Stick with me through all the tips, especially when we get to breathing techniques. Most people skip this crucial step, and that's why they say waxing never gets easier. You're about to see the difference. Let's start with tip number 1. Understand the 4-week hair growth rhythm. Your hair has a natural rhythm, and waxing works best when we respect it. Hair doesn't grow all at once. It grows in 3 different phases. Waiting for weeks allows most of your hair to reach a similar length in the same growth phase. When the hair is even, the wax can grip it all at once, which means less pulling, less pain, and no patchy stubble left behind. Over time, this consistency trains your hair to grow back finer and lighter, and your skin stays smoother for much longer. This brings us to our second, and possibly most important rule. Do not shave between waxing sessions. I know it's tempting, but shaving completely resets all your progress and makes your next wax so much harder. Shaving cuts the hair at the surface, creating a sharp, blunt tip. This makes the regrowth feel coarse and prickly. When you go for your next wax, those sharp, short hairs are much harder for the wax to grab, leading to a more painful pull. It completely breaks the 4-week growth rhythm we just talked about, creating uneven stubble patches. If you absolutely must tidy up, a little trim is okay, but never shave. Your commitment to not shaving is the real secret to making waxing gentler over time. Now, let's talk daily care. Tip 3 is to keep the area clean daily. Clean skin heals faster and is less reactive. All you need is warm water and a mild, gentle soap. Please avoid any heavily perfumed or harsh products in that area, as they can cause irritation. A gentle cleanse removes sweat and bacteria that can build up, especially after a workout. This simple step supports healthy skin, helps prevent itchiness, and keeps the follicles clear, which is key to preventing ingrown hairs. Think of it as keeping the area clean, calm, and balanced, not stripping it of its natural moisture. Moving on to tip number 4. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliation is your number 1 tool for preventing ingrown hairs. Use a soft exfoliating glove or a gentle body brush in a light, circular motion. You want to avoid any harsh, grainy scrubs, especially in the first few days after your wax, when the skin is still sensitive. Exfoliating sloughs off the layer of dead skin cells that can build up and trap new, delicate hairs under the surface. This helps the new hair grow through the skin properly instead of getting stuck underneath, which is what causes those annoying and sometimes painful bumps. Gentle, consistent exfoliation also helps the wax grip the hair better at your next appointment, making it more effective. After you exfoliate, you need to moisturize. This is our 5th tip: moisturize daily. So many people skip this. Soft, hydrated skin lets hairs move freely, while dry, flaky skin traps them. Apply a light, fragrance-free lotion or a non-comedogenic oil right after you shower. When your skin is still a bit warm and damp, to lock in that moisture. Keeping the skin elastic and soothed is crucial. Hydrated skin is less likely to tear or become irritated during a wax, which means less pain for you. Plus, it gives you that beautiful, touchable, smooth finish. A little bit of moisturizer each day makes a massive difference in your comfort and results. Okay, let's talk post-wax care. Tip number 6 is to wear loose, breathable clothing right after your appointment. Your skin needs to breathe. Tight clothing, like skinny jeans, leggings, or synthetic lace underwear, creates friction and traps heat and sweat against your freshly waxed skin. This can lead to irritation, redness, and even little bumps. For the first 24 to 48 hours, opt for soft cotton underwear and loose-fitting pants or skirts. Allowing air to circulate helps calm the skin's surface and supports a faster, more comfortable recovery. Along the same lines, tip number 7 is to avoid hot baths, saunas, and steam rooms for at least 24 hours. Heat plus open pores is a recipe for irritation. When you wax, the follicles are temporarily open, making your skin more vulnerable. The intense heat from a hot bath or sauna can increase sensitivity and swelling. Plus, the sweat can trap bacteria in those open pores, leading to potential breakouts or infections. Stick to lukewarm showers for the first day. This one simple step prevents the vast majority of post-wax irritation. Just think, calm, cool, and clean. Tip 8 follows the same logic. Avoid heavy exercise for 12 to 24 hours. The combination of friction from movement and sweat is a major trigger for irritation on newly waxed skin. Sweat can clog those open follicles, leading to little red bumps or that annoying, tight, itchy feeling. Light activities like a gentle walk or some stretching are perfectly fine, but save your intense gym session, run, or spin class for the next day. Giving your skin this short break significantly reduces the risk of inflammation and helps it recover beautifully. Remember, comfort is a key part of aftercare. Now for the tip I promised you, the one that makes the biggest difference, during the wax itself. Tip number 9 is to sync your waxing with your breathing. Your breath can reduce pain instantly. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. When your esthetician is about to pull the wax strip, take a slow, deep inhale through your nose. Then, as she pulls, exhale gently and slowly through your mouth. This simple action helps to relax your body, especially the pelvic muscles. Tense muscles make the pull more painful. Relaxed muscles make it so much gentler. You can even tell your waxer to sync her timing with your breath. This puts you in control of your body and transforms the experience from something you endure to something you manage calmly. Our 10th tip is about consistency in your method. Changing your waxing technique or product type too often can reset your progress. Whether it's hard wax, soft wax, or sugaring, your skin and hair learn how to respond to a consistent method. Sticking with one allows your hair growth to become more predictable and your skin to adapt, which ultimately leads to better, smoother results over time. If you find something that works for you, stay with it. This is how waxing eventually becomes almost effortless. And finally, tip 11. Book your next appointment before you even leave the salon. Future you will thank present you for this. It locks you into that perfect 4-week rhythm and eliminates the stress of trying to find a last-minute spot. It also removes the temptation to shave if you can't get in. Planning ahead maintains your smooth results long-term and builds confidence in your self-care routine. It reframes waxing from a chore into a consistent act of self-care. By following these steps, you're not just getting a wax. You're cultivating a routine that makes every session easier than the last. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare and beauty advice. See you in the next one.